So how would you like to make $100 a day passively using your phone? Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 apps that you can download and start making money with it today. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start an online business, and of course, how to do affiliate marketing. So guys, if you want to learn more, please hit subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. All right, guys, so I'm excited. I'm going to show you 4 really cool apps. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a bonus on how you can make even more money and how I made my full-time income doing it. Okay, so the first app we're going to talk about is, drumroll please, Lifecoin.ai. Okay, so guys, this is similar to Sweatcoin, but you actually get paid more. Okay, so this app is really cool. Okay, so for me, I actually go on long walks, especially with this pandemic and us being at home all the time. This is perfect, guys, because you can get your exercise in and get paid. Okay, so you can see here, they literally pay you to walk. It's incredible. I know you're like, okay, well, how do they make their money? Well, they make their money with ads, okay? So that's how they make their money, but they literally just pay you to walk, okay? What's cool is you just have to download the app and you can redeem it for PayPal. You can redeem it for Amazon gift cards, iTunes gift cards, all kinds of stuff, guys. There's a bunch of things that you can trade your points for because basically you download the app, you start walking, you get paid in points, and then with those points, you can redeem them for these rewards, okay? What I do is I redeem them for PayPal, and then so if I go for like a 6-mile run or a 6-mile walk with my wife or whatever, I just turn this app on, I throw it in, I throw it in the, I take the baby stroller because we have a daughter, but I throw it in the stroller and we go walking, I come back and we made money by literally exercising. So this is a really cool app, okay? All these apps I'm going to talk about, you can literally stack them in a really cool way. So I'm going to talk about that here in a second, okay? But really cool, guys, you can see here that for 81,000 steps, you can have a balance of, or this is the balance, 284 points, and you can redeem those for basically for any of these points here, okay, or any of these gift cards, okay? So that's the first app, okay? The second one, guys, this one's really cool, okay? This one's called Smart App, okay? So with this one, they're literally just paying you just to have the app, okay? So this one you can just use in conjunction with the walking app as well, okay? So you can see here, super legit. You can see sign up, take a short survey, install it, and you literally just, that's it. It's like you just let it sit there and you make money passively, okay? So keep your devices connected and take surveys to earn rewards. So you can earn surveys and do stuff like that to earn even more rewards and stuff like that, okay? And basically they're just trying to get data from you. They're doing it anyway, so might as well get paid for it, right? So, and basically they pay you by qualifying participants can earn $5 for every 30 days. They stay connected, okay? So really, really cool app that you can start with, okay? The third one, this one's really cool, okay? Money SMS, okay? So you can download this, guys, and basically it pays you. I think it sends you like text messages and stuff like that, and you basically just get paid, right? So Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers, okay? Really, really cool app that you can download as well. And guys, like I said, all these apps you can use in conjunction with each other, okay? So you can see here, the Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving messages, okay? So this one doesn't work with iPhone yet. So sorry, iPhone users, but I will be coming out with more app, or I'm coming out with another video on more apps, so look out for that one as well. But this is the only one that you can't use for iPhone, okay? And this one's cool because has a referral program as well, which is always nice because you can refer people and you can get even more money, okay? Same thing with the Litecoin, okay? So this one right here, you can actually refer people. I believe it's down here somewhere. Yes, you can become an ambassador and refer people as well, and that's another way you can make money, okay? All right, the last one, guys, this one I've kind of talked about it before, but now they have an app for it. So it's called Future Points, okay? With this one, you do have to do surveys. You do have to do like, you watch videos, do offers, stuff like that. And with this one, you can actually redeem your money with gift cards. You can do cash. You can do Bitcoin. This is a really cool app. And this one, like I said, I've talked about this one before. A lot of people use this app right here. And back in the day when I was like broke, I had no money. This is the app I actually used. Actually, the website didn't have the app at the time. And it's a really cool app. They pay right away once you have enough points. I believe you need $5 worth to start redeeming. So really, really quick, you can start making money. But yeah, so these are the 4 apps that, guys, you can start using and making passive income. And guys, these apps are great, right? These apps are great. You can make some money with them. The only problem is you're not going to get rich with them. You're not going to be able to leave your 9-to-5 job. And that was my problem. Okay, I've always wanted to leave my job. I want to do something online, and I've always tried to do surveys. I use these apps, and they're a great way to supplement your income. If you need extra money, that they're great. Okay. But they're not going to make you rich. So I want to talk about kind of my story and how I started into my business. Okay, so guys, let me pull up a post here I posted the other day. Here you can see March 2nd, 2020. I conquered my greatest fears today that was plaguing me for the last 5 years. I quit my $80,000 a year job, and I have never felt so free in my entire life. Okay, so guys, I literally quit my electrical engineering job after 5 years of hating it so much. And this was after 5 years. So I went to school for 5 years. I got my degree in electrical engineering, which wasn't easy, by the way. And then I got my job. I hated my job, and I was looking for other opportunities. I was doing surveys. I was doing future points. I was doing all these other things, drop shipping and Amazon FBA and eBay, and nothing ever worked for me, guys. So finally, I stumbled upon this education system. Let me show you what it is. Okay, so basically, it's this system here. Okay, it's called Legendary Marketer. Okay, guys, and this system literally teaches you how to create a passive income business, and that's what I do, guys. You can see here on my YouTube channel. That I went from engineering to a full-time affiliate marketer. And that's what I do, guys. I do affiliate marketing. I teach people how to do it now. And I was able to quit my job in March, right? As you can see in the post. But I started this in May of 2019 and I quit in March 2020. So not even a full year I've been doing this, guys. I'm doing this full-time now. And it's literally, my life has never been better. And I want to help you guys as well. I want to help you guys build that passive income business, because like I said, these apps are great. And if you need money, go do these apps, go download them, start making passive income, but you're not going to get rich. You're not going to build a business. Okay. So if you guys want to build a real sustainable business that's going to pay you passively, literally while you sleep, guys, try this system out. I promise you it'll change your life. Okay. So basically it's a 15-day challenge. Okay. I'm going to walk you through it real quick. You can see Day 1, it teaches you how to build a high-ticket business. Day 2, it teaches you the 4 high-income skills. Day 3, you literally build your business in 30 minutes. It literally gives you everything you need in the 15 days to build a business. So why wouldn't you pay? This is only $7, by the way. Why wouldn't you pay $7 to learn that, guys? I paid over $40,000 last year in buying mentors and buying courses and buying I show you actually, if you look at, I think it was like a month ago, I did a video on how I spent over $40,000 in courses and mentors and stuff like that, which I don't regret, okay, because I was able to quit my job. But if you're looking for a passive income business, guys, I promise you this will change your life, okay? Click the first link in the description below. It's going to take you through the 15-day challenge. Enter your email, pay the $7. Start learning, especially if you're just at home right now. Why not start learning a high income skill where you can start, making a business and creating a passive income system that, pays you, and you can leave your job if you want, or you can keep your job and just make more money, right? Whatever you want to do. I hated my job, so I wanted to leave. But anyways, guys, click the link below if you want to learn more. Download those apps. If you want to make more money, guys, I promise you, build an affiliate marketing business. That's what I do, and I'm loving it. I'm building my business even more, and I document the journey. So hope you guys follow me on my journey. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, guys. It really helps me grow on YouTube, and I hope this video was of value to you guys. You guys have a great day, and God bless.